morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, now open page number 3 in your maths textbook. Students, now pay attention in your textbook. Have you ever made a rangoli? My friend Meenakshi makes beautiful flower patterns. Then Meenakshi says, I am Meenakshi. I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make rangoli every morning. They are made by using dots. Students, this girl is Meenakshi and she belongs to Tamil Nadu. She makes rangoli every morning. They are made by using dots. Students, these patterns that you can see here, they all are made using dots. You can also try and use the dots given below to make patterns. 2 examples have been drawn here. Students, here some patterns are given and you have to draw these patterns here, okay, using the dots. Students, here 2 patterns are given. So we will draw here another pattern, okay. Students, so draw this pattern with me like this. Then draw sleeping line. After that you have to draw straight line like this. Now we will draw another pattern. So draw with me in your textbook. First make straight line. Then join these dots like this. Okay students, now turn your page. Make other patterns yourself. Number 1. Copy these shapes on the dot grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. Students, here some shapes are given and you have to draw these shapes here, okay. First we will write here numbers like this. So write with me. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then write down here also. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again we will write numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. First we will draw this pattern, okay. 5 to 5 number. So draw with me here like this. Then Make pattern like this using the dots. Join these dots. Okay. Now we will draw this pattern, okay, using 6 and 7 number. So draw with me. So try to draw with me. Now draw like this. Now we will draw this pattern. So draw like this. Okay students, now rest of these shapes you have to draw by yourself, okay? Now pay attention on next page. Number 2, use the dot grid given below to draw your own designs and shapes. Students, here you have to draw your own designs and shapes. First we will draw here one rectangle shape like this. Then make one straight line here. Then draw like this. And make one triangle. Students, this is a house. Now we will draw a boat. So try to draw with me. Join the dots and draw. Then make one straight line and joint like this. Now third activity, complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. Students, here some squares and rectangle shapes are given here, so you have to complete these figures, okay? So draw with me. Join the dots. Make straight line. Now students, tell me which shape is this? Yes, this is a rectangle shape. Now we will draw this shape, okay? Join these dots like this. Okay, now tell me which shape is this? Yes, this is a triangle shape. Now make one straight line here and join these dots. Now tell me which shape is this? Yes, this is a square shape. Now make straight line here. and join this line. This is also a square shape. Now we will draw this figure like this. This is also a rectangle shape. And last figure is, join these dots like this. This is also a square shape. Okay students, now turn your page. Activity 4. On the dot grid given below, draw the following. Students, here dot grid is given, so you have to draw the following. Okay. A kite. You have to draw a kite. So draw with me. First we will draw a kite. So draw with me in your textbook like this. Then make one small triangle. Then make one straight line. And draw a curve pattern like this. Okay students, so draw with me a leaf like this. Then draw like this. Then join these dots like this. This is a leaf. Now we will draw a flower. So draw with me. Like this you have to draw. Then draw like this. Okay students, now other things, boat, star and pot, you have to draw by yourself here. Okay students, now your homework is complete activity 1 and activity 4 in the textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.